Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how energy flows in ecosystems? Today I'm unlocking the secrets of food chains, food webs, and energy pyramids. Trust me, it's going to be wild. First off, let's talk about ecology. Ecology is the study of interactions between organisms and their environment. Think of it like the ultimate group project where every organism has a role. Energy flow is a key concept here, and it's all about how energy moves through an ecosystem. Feeding relationships are at the heart of this flow. Alright, so what's a food chain? Imagine a simple linear sequence of who eats whom. Energy passes from one organism to another in a straightforward line. Each stop along this line is called a trophic level. For example, grass gets eaten by a grasshopper, which gets eaten by a bird, and the bird gets eaten by a hawk. Now let's break down the components of a food chain. We've got producers like plants and algae that make their own food. Then we have consumers. Primary consumers are herbivores that eat the producers. Secondary consumers are the carnivores that eat the herbivores. Tertiary consumers are the top predators, and don't forget the decomposers that break down dead matter and recycle nutrients. But real ecosystems are more complex than simple chains. Enter the food web, a complex network of interconnected food chains. It's a more realistic representation because it shows multiple feeding relationships. This complexity helps maintain ecosystem stability. In a food web, energy flows through multiple pathways with interconnected species relationships and alternative food sources. If one species gets removed, the ecosystem can still survive thanks to these backups. Speaking of energy, only 10% transfers from one trophic level to the next. The rest is lost through heat, movement, undigested food, and basic life processes. This is where the energy pyramid comes in. It visually shows energy transfer with a broad base of producers and fewer organisms at higher levels. Ecological pyramids come in three types: energy, biomass, and numbers. Each of these shows different aspects of an ecosystem structure. Let's break down the trophic levels. At the first level, we have producers like trees, grasses, and algae. They convert solar energy into chemical energy. At the second level, primary consumers like rabbits, deer, and grasshoppers feed on these producers. Then we have secondary consumers who eat the primary consumers, and tertiary consumers who eat the secondary ones. Naturally, population sizes get smaller as you go up the pyramid. Decomposers, like bacteria and fungi, play a crucial role by breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. Biodiversity supports ecosystem stability through multiple feeding relationships and backup food sources, helping ecosystems recover from disturbances. However, human actions like habitat destruction, overhunting, and climate change can disrupt food webs. Conservation efforts are vital to protecting keystone species, maintaining biodiversity, and preserving habitats. Understanding these concepts isn't just academic, it's practical. From agricultural ecosystems to urban settings, knowing how energy flows can help us make better decisions. Ecological research methods like field observations and food web mapping techniques provide deeper insights into these relationships. To wrap it up, remember, food chains show linear energy flow, food webs depict complex interactions, and energy pyramids illustrate energy transfer. Ecosystem stability hinges on biodiversity, and human actions have significant impacts. Keep these key concepts in mind, and you'll unlock the secrets of energy flow in no time. Until next time, stay curious.